Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. This is the Lingbao K108 Pro in the pink colorway with the flower field switches. And she is giving full, soft, creamy desk aesthetic. This is a full-size board, so you've got your numpad with the big zero and your full function row. And she's got tri-mode connectivity, so you can switch between devices using the knob. She's also got a really cute and functional TFT screen, which I always like, and I've already put a custom little pink robot GIF on it because you know me. The knob also works as your control center, so volume, lighting, settings, it's all right there. Now, typing on this, it feels really premium. Like, I literally had to go back and check and see if this was an aluminum board because it sounds that good. Now, let's take a listen. You've got a gasket mounted build with 5 layers of sound dampening plus pre-lubed linear flower field switches. So the sound is really soft and creamy and a little marbly and just super satisfying without being overly loud or clacky. It's also hot swappable, so you can swap out switches anytime you want to customize it further. The battery is kind of wild on this, you guys. It's got a 10,000 milliamp battery, so you're really getting long use without constant charging. And of course, she's got full RGB, millions of colors, plus reactive lighting modes if you want that extra desk energy. Overall, I am super happy with this. I'm putting her right up there with my AL98 and Galaxy 100 Lite. If you want something that looks cute but actually performs and feels really high-end, this one really delivers. I'm a fan.